In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Google Chrome Windows 11. If Chrome has started feeling slow, cluttered, or full of stubborn pop-ups and odd behavior, a quick reset can often bring it back to its clean, default state without deleting your important stuff. We're using the built-in reset option in Windows 11's Chrome app, and this is the easiest, most reliable way to restore everything to factory settings. Start by opening Google Chrome. Look up to the top right corner and click the three dots, sometimes called the More menu. From there, choose Settings. Once you're in Settings, scroll to find the section labeled Reset Settings. Click it, then select Restore Settings to their original defaults. Chrome will show a confirmation box explaining what's about to change. Click Reset Settings to confirm, and that's it. The reset begins immediately and usually finishes within a few moments. Here's what this reset actually does. Your home page and startup pages go back to Chrome's default, so if something had set a page you didn't recognize, that will be cleared. Your default search engine is returned to the original option, which helps if it was changed by an extension or a download. All extensions are disabled, which is great for troubleshooting because it removes any add-on that might be causing crashes, pop-ups, or slowdowns. And Chrome clears temporary data, like cached files and some site data, which can fix display glitches and odd loading behavior. Just as important, here's what the reset does not touch. Your bookmarks and saved passwords are not deleted. Your browsing history and autofill information typically remain as well. If you use Chrome Sync, your data in the cloud stays intact, and the reset only affects the local browser settings on this device. A few notes to keep in mind after the reset. Chrome itself is not uninstalled. The app stays on your PC. You may be asked to sign into your Google account again to resume sync, especially if you previously used multiple profiles. And remember, your extensions are disabled, not removed. That means you can turn them back on later once you're confident the browser is stable. It's a good idea to re-enable only the extensions you truly need one at a time to spot any that might cause issues, and that's the full process. With just a few clicks, you've returned Chrome to its factory defaults on Windows 11, giving yourself a clean slate and a smoother browsing experience.